The T6RC 1080p camera drone boasts a robust non-foldable design that enhances stability and wind resistance, making it ideal for maintaining altitude during flight. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone captures stunning first-person view experiences and preserves life's precious moments with high clarity. With 2 rechargeable batteries providing a total of 30 minutes of flight time, users can enjoy extended periods of uninterrupted aerial exploration. Designed with beginners in mind, the T6 drone includes features such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, gravity mode, and gesture photo video for an easy and intuitive flying experience. The intelligent alert system notifies users when the battery is low or the drone exceeds the maximum distance, ensuring safer and more controlled flights. It is important to recalibrate the drone before takeoff and ensure it is on a level surface to prevent uncontrolled flights and potential loss.